Okay, we have the following system being given. X squared is equal to 333 squared, positive 444 squared, positive 555 squared, divided by 222 squared. We are asked to find the value of x. So foremost, what I wish to do is I will state here as consider the numerator, which is 333 squared, positive 444 squared, positive 555 squared. I'm going to rewrite 333 as 111 multiplied with 3. I'm going to write 444 as 111 multiplied with 4. I'm going to write 555 as 111 multiplied with 5, all raised to the power of 2. Now if we have a multiplied with b raised to the power of m, I can rewrite this as a raised to the power of m times b raised to the power of m. So this is going to be 111 squared multiplied with 3 squared, positive 111 squared times 4 squared, positive 111 squared times 5 squared. So this is my numerator. Now you consider the denominator. 222 squared is the denominator value. I'm going to rewrite it as 111 multiplied with 2 raised to the power of 2. Further, I'm going to write it as 111 raised to the power of 2 times 2 raised to the power of 2. Now, hence x squared is going to be numerator over denominator, which is going to be 111 squared times 3 squared, positive 111 squared times 4 squared, positive 111 squared times 5 squared, divided by 111 squared times 2 squared. I can take 111 squared out, so this will give me 3 squared, positive 4 squared, positive 5 squared, divided by 111 squared times 2 squared. 111 squared can be cancelled. 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, divided by 2 squared is 4. So 9 added with 16 is 25, 25 added with 25 is 50. So you have 50 divided by 4. Now 2 divides here 2 times, 2 divides here 25 times. So this is 25 over 2 is equal to x squared. So therefore x is equal to plus or minus root of 25 over 2, which is plus or minus root of 25 over root of 2, which is square root of 25 is 5. So plus or minus root of 2. I don't want to have square root of 2 in the denominator. I multiply by root 2, I divide by root 2. So this is going to be plus or minus 5 times root of 2 divided by root 2 multiplied by root 2 gives me 2. So this is my value of x. So that's the final solution. Thank you everybody. Please like, share and subscribe.